Hello guys, thank you. If you're watching me, I'm Neo Wesco. Yeah, commonly Neo Wesco. So please, this is Neo Wesco from Cameroon. Once more again, you are all welcome, guys. Please, if you are joining, just turn on the notification bell, subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is just a newly created channel, and I have other channel, but this channel I created it purposely for Pi network and cryptocurrency. So here I'll bringing you guys from time to time. I'll be bringing you guys update from Pi network. Many of us, I have uh, I have about 3 WhatsApp group and a Telegram channel, and all in this we talk about cryptocurrency and more on Pi network. I've given a lot of update. I've helped a lot of people to verify their account. So please, if you have not verified your account, if you still have some things that you are lacking that you still need to know about Pi, just comment below. I'm going to respond to you directly. And if you have not, if you are as we are waiting for the KYC verification, if you don't yet have your national identity card or your passport or your driving license, I'll as well tell you to get it ready. Get it ready. Anything you get to know about Pi, anything you want to know, just comment below. I'm going to answer your question directly. Yeah, I'm also going to leave the link to my WhatsApp group and Telegram group in the description button below. Just click and join. So thank you. It was a beautiful day coming your way, Neyo. Please just try and subscribe to my YouTube channel and get more on Pi Network and other cryptocurrency, other mining stuff. Yeah, you're welcome.